Hi, Robin and Chet here with Sea Lake Journeys.
Sea Lake Journeys.
Today we're going to talk about the muster drill. So this video is about the muster drill on the Carnival Liberty.
Station. We're at Mustard Station A.
We're Mustard Station A.
Background there. This is Mustard Station A.
We have to check in with that young lady.
We got to check in with her right there yonder. Okay, that's what we're going to do next, y'all. So everybody watching us on YouTube, you're going to see us checking in our Mustard Station. You have to do this. If you don't do it, the ship will not sail away, and they will highly embarrass you. They'll call you out. They'll say, there are 103 people who did not do Mustard Station, and Bill Smith, you are one of them. So get your butt down there and do your Mustard Station drill.
We can't leave until everyone has checked in at their muster drill.
So let that be a lesson to you. When you get on the ship, go to your muster station. We have Muster Station A.
Yes.
Went right to it. All they do is say, hey, this is a life jacket. You put it on like this, it's snappy here. You got a light and a whistle here. I'm like, okay. And they said, all done. And they check you in. It's that easy, people. It's that easy just to do. Go ahead and just go do it.
Well, we'd like to thank you for watching the video today, and if you have found this video interesting, informative, or enjoyable in any way, why don't you give us a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to the channel. It helps other people find us, and we really do appreciate your support.
And for everybody that wants to say hi to baby Enzo and little Ringo, they're right here with us too. We've had a lot of comments on these guys, so these are our sponsors for the show tonight.
Have a good day, and see you around the channel.